Hello, and welcome back to my weekly progress log. Well, I guess you could call it a devlog now that I'm actually working on something. With the holiday season approaching, I've been doing a lot of overtime at work, which hasn't left me much time to dive into my prototype. However, I did manage to make some exciting updates to the customer behavior script this week. The first thing I wanted to do was make sure that my customers would continue browsing if all the counter spots were taken. This, embarrassingly, took me a while to figure out, no pun intended. But after adding this while loop to my await start method, I was able to get them moving. The next thing I wanted to do was make sure the customers rotated towards each of their waypoints, so I added some googly eyes to the customer prefab to see the effect in action using simple spheres, and changed the colours with some custom materials. Next, I integrated the rotation logic into the customer movement script. This rotation system not only aligns the customers with their waypoints, but also checks if the customer is heading towards the counter. If they are, the script rotates them to face the player. To keep the interaction immersive, I created a separate async method called gaze@player_async. This ensures the customer continues to follow the player with their gaze once they're at the counter. It's a small touch, but it adds to the realism of customer behaviour and player interaction. And that's everything I have so far. So it's not much, but I am quite happy with the progress that I've made. The reason why I started making these videos and releasing them weekly in the first place was to make sure that I had something to show for myself at the end of each week. So that method does seem to be working. It's definitely motivated me to make sure that I do squeeze in a bit of time each week, even if it is just a few hours, in order to make a little bit of progress. And to everybody that's liked, commented and subscribed so far, I just want to say a massive thank you for all your positive support. That's also really motivated me to crack on with this project. So thank you very much, and I will see you on the next one.